Good day guys, my name still remains Abdulkadir Babajide. In this video, I'll be walking you through how to use your Android phone to record the screen, for a video. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. Let me open the app first and take you through the settings. So this is the settings of the app. As you can see, you have the resolution. You have different numbers of resolution. You have 2215 by 1080. You have 1005 by 720. So, but me, I'm using the 1000. I'm using 1000 by 480. So we also have the bit rate. So I'm using Onto. So you have the frame rate. So you can use any number you like. So, and the beauty of this app is that as you are as it is recording your screen, it will also recording your voice. So as you can see, record audio. So record audio is so hide the record window during recording. So you must hide this one. If you don't hide it while doing the video, the window of the app it will be showing on your video. So and the stop options, we have different types of stop options. So stop on screen off. So if you put this one on, if your screen is off, the video will just stop. So stop on shake, this is what I'm using. If you finish the video and you just shake your phone, it will stop. So enable time limit, if it's what you want, you just put it on. So count down before start. So I'm using 3 seconds. You can use any number you like. So screenshot, if you want to screenshot while doing the video, so you can switch it on. So camera, if you want your face to be showing at the corner of the video, you can put this one on. So text and logo, so text and logo, you don't really need that. Like this one now, logo, if you put it on, the logo of the app it will be showing at the one corner. So and the text also, if you put it on, so this is the name of the app, Asset Screen Record. So if you put it on, it will be showing on your video, but you don't need that. Me too, I don't need it. So that's all about settings. So let's go to the app. Just launch your Play Store. Launch your Play Store and type launch your Play Store and type Asset Screen Screen Recorder. As you can see, just click on the first one, Screen Recorder. So I've clicked on it. This is the app. So I've already downloaded the app. That's why it's saying open. So you download your own and install it. So after the installation, you can launch the app and set it up as I've put you through about the settings. So thank you for watching the video. I really appreciate you. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm begging you, as I just opened this channel. I just opened it, as you can see. Please subscribe to it and like my video. And also you can also share the video for others to watch and subscribe. Please help me about the subscription button. I just opened the channel. I need more subscriptions. Please subscribe to my channel. So, and if you have any question concerning this video, you can put your questions on the comment section below. So, and if you also have any questions apart from this video, maybe you have questions on importation business, or you want to learn how to do importation business, you can comment below. You can put your questions below. I will attend to your questions, and and if you want me to make any video concerning importation business, please put your question there. I will attend to you. Thanks once again. Thank you for watching.